Today we're in the kitchen making this TikTok mac and cheese. It's the kind where you just dump everything in the pan and hope that it works out. So I'm gonna try it and see what I think. So I don't think this is gonna work. A big handful. That's the whole instruction. 30 minutes. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Now we have to stir it up. Five more. There you go. Hear that sizzle? It's good. If you've ever had the mac and cheese from Costco, like the kind that they make like in the deli, it tastes a lot like that.